In this video, I will show you how to change Instagram notification sound. Firstly, you need to get up right here into your profile section on your account. Then you need to tap on the three dots on your right upper side. When you get right over there, you need to tap on the first side, which is settings, and here you're gonna find out the full section, which is notifications. Go on it, and right here guys, if you go on all of these setups, as you can see, you have site section, which is for messages and calls. Go on that side, and right over there you're gonna find out that selection, in which if you scroll down you're gonna find out all these sites. But as you can see, you have additional options in system settings. Click on that side, and now here you're gonna find out that right option to take over that system side for notification sound. Now right here you're gonna set up that section, which is by getting up on that file. Firstly, you're gonna see that here you have that setup, which set sound and pop-up, and also here you have that silent section, and simply you need to tap and hold on it on all of these, and get back right now to take off how it looks like. For example, if you want to take over this side, if we talk about changing the notification sound, if you want to take it, you need to tap and hold on it, and then you need to simply check over the sound which is related into your interest.